Good evening, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. We're continuing our education process here on how I locate perfect trades using perfect indicators. Um, I use the word perfect loosely there, but as you've learned over this series, I, I'm focusing on the strongest indicators, and that's how I uh, make these trades. Is I locate those strong indicators, and then I stack as many of those as I can in my favor. And the end result tends to be lots of gains, compoundable gains. Um, the fifth step, and you can call this 4.6 or whatever you'd like. It's really not a matter of how you, which step you do first, as long as you do them all, and they all tell you the same thing. Uh, we'll call this one step 5. Am I too late to get involved in this trade? That's a common question you'll hear people ask, and you ask it yourself all the time. But in determining that, you need to look at the secondary indicators, uh, such as, now there's lots of them, but I use a few that I've grown accustomed to. Uh, these will include uh, the slow stotch. If the slow stotch is here, under this line here, under 20, it's short-term oversold. If it's here, it's short-term overbought. I don't want to be getting involved in a stock at this level unless I'm really, if you do it, you got to know you're pushing your luck. So try not to do it. Um, on occasion I will, but it's rare. In this particular case, I'm about the middle. I'm not the first one in, but I'm not going to probably be the last one either. So I would take this as, yes, there's probably still move to the upside for the following day or day thereafter. If nothing else, I'll get a day trade out of it. That's one second indicator that you can use. We'll also use the MACD. I'm a fan of that. Let's hang on a second. In this particular case, we have a divergence here, fixing a crossover. I like that. You'll notice also the histogram here, the momentum moving to the upside. I like that. You can also use the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator for me is absolutely worthless unless it's over 70 or down around it or under 30. Anything in between that can just bounce around forever and basically tell me nothing. But if it's up over 70, I know I'm pressing my luck to be going long. It's the end of the trade. If it's in the middle here, I got time. I'm good, because a lot of these will, especially if you're working with this type of setups, they'll press into the overbought 70 like they did here, and then hold that for a while. They did it here. They did it over here as well. So under 70, I consider that still good. And basically using those three indicators, I know that I'm not too late to get involved in this trade. Now, for all I know, it could gap up tomorrow and totally destroy any potential for me to get into it. But just looking at what we have now, this looks like something I would want to watch tomorrow. That's basically step number 5. Look at those secondary indicators. You may use different ones, but the ones I use are the slow stotch, the MACD, and the RSI indicator. And I want to make sure I'm not too late to get into this trade now. Thank you for your time.